Hey, it's Ben. I have these anti-tip furniture and TV straps. Company sent this to me and is compensating me for this video. It's come with some basic instructions, 2 straps, and some hardware. It does come with pairs of various sizes of bolts that will be going in the back of the TV. And then there are some screws and wall anchors to fasten to the wall or tabletop, however you need to fasten this down. And then just a couple washers as well. So I believe these are the bolts I will need. I'm going to just screw this into the hole. Then we can do the other side. So these are both secured to the TV. And then you would secure the other end to whatever you need to secure the TV to. And once that is attached, you can use this spring-loaded buckle to tighten it up. It makes your TV secure and will not be able to tip forward if it's pulled on. So that's how it could look when it's attached to a desk or a table. Hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.